Today we are featuring a 2018 Honda Accord. It's the all-new body style redesigned Accord. It's only got 3,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. Alright, it was bought here new. It's a local trade. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Alright, we've got the turn signals and the mirrors here. Nice chrome door handles. Alright, and this is a touring. This is top of the line Accord. Alright, it's got the rear park assist, rear backup camera. Alright, this vehicle's got all the bells and whistles you could possibly want and need. Beautiful body design on this Accord. Alright, it's got the blind spot monitoring, sunroof. It also has the front park assist as well. Beautiful car, low miles, bought new here. Alright, local trade. Let's go ahead and check it out on the inside. Got the two-tone door panels, nice wood grain trim here, memory seats, power locks, power windows. It's got the nice thick rubber floor mats, power driver's seat. It's got the perforated gray leather. Okay, this thing's in great condition. Like I said, it's got 3,000 miles on it, so it's practically new. Still smells like a new car. Alright, passenger seat looks good. Alright, it does come with 2 keyless entry key fobs. Alright, and it has remote start. Push button transmission. It's got the air conditioned and heated seats, dual climate controls, push button start. Alright, it's got the nice big screen for the display for your rear view camera, navigation. Leather wrapped steering wheel, heads up display, lane mitigation, collision alert. Alright, it's got your steering wheel audio controls there. Alright, and then down here it's got your park assist and your heads up display. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the mileage. Okay, now that we've got it started, let you check out the mileage. It's got 3,961 miles on it. Alright, I'll take you over here to your display. We'll go ahead and get it back to the home screen. Okay, and there you got your navigation button. Alright, go ahead and engage the backup camera. Alright, let me get you back home. There we go. Go ahead and check out the climate control area here. It does have the heated and air conditioned seats, push button start, dual climate controls. Alright, the AC's been blowing now for about 5 minutes. Everything blowing nice and cold there. Let's go ahead and step out and take a look in the back seat. Door panels back here look good. Want to go ahead and point this out to you. It does have the rear heated seats. Okay, the Touring has the rear heated seats. Got the nice thick rubber floor mats back here as well. Okay, but the back seat leather's in great shape. Alright, with only 3,000 miles on a 2018, you'll be hard pressed to find something that's wrong with this car. This thing's absolutely beautiful. The layout, the dash, everything really nice. Let's check out your trunk space. Alright, nice hard rubber floor mat back here, or protector mat. Alright, but as you can see, a ton of room back here in these Accords. Alright, let's go ahead and check out your wheels and tires. Alright, 19-inch alloys. Brand new set of tires on here. It's only got 3,000 miles on the tires. But these alloys are beautiful. Alright, once again, just to recap, it's a 2018 Honda Accord Touring, only 3,000 miles. It was bought here new. Alright, it was a local trade. One owner, Carfax one owner, clean Carfax. Come down, check it out. You're getting a new car for the used car price. This thing is absolutely beautiful. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thank you for watching the video.